In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Etsy accounts from non-supported countries, especially Nigeria, Ghana, India, and any other country that is not allowed. I will take you through how you can create accounts yourself without consulting anybody. You have to watch this video to the end because I will share a lot of tricks many creators are not sharing with you. If you check well on the Etsy platform, you'll notice that there are a lot of vendors from non-supported countries. And of course, they are making a lot of money. Then you ask yourself, how did these people create accounts and sell on this platform? The answer is that they have information you don't have access to, and that is what I'm about to share with you today. Even after watching this video and you want this service created for you and you don't want to stress about the setup, hire a verified expert on Rolladale. Visit Rolladale, post your request or search available sellers and get connected with professionals ready to deliver. I will drop the link in the description. In today's video, we are going to create our shop on the US market. Why the US? The US market is one of the largest markets in the world. A lot of products we have today in our country have buyers in the US. Creating our account in the US helps the products reach those that need them there. I will tell you how you can create an Etsy account right from a non-supported country. I'm not limited to any country that is not eligible. If you watch this video, you'll have an idea of how you can create your account and have peace of mind without worrying about your account getting banned, and also how you can set your payment accounts on Etsy. Before we proceed, if this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Your Name. This channel is dedicated to teach you how to break barriers and make international activities easier for everyone. So if you love what we do here, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you receive updates anytime I post content like this. Alright, this is the Etsy platform. To register, click on sign in, then register. I'm creating a fresh account, choosing an email, first name and password. Once that's done, click register. Now click on sell on Etsy, then get started, similar to Amazon. You'll be asked what you want to sell. I'm choosing to design my own items because I'll be using designs generated with AI for this shop. Now click start your shop. Select your shop language as English and your shop country. As you can see, Nigeria is not listed. I'm proceeding with the US and continuing. Next is getting paid and selecting currency, which will be USD. At this stage, Etsy asks for a social security number. As you know, non-US citizens are not allowed to use SSN. So let me show you how you can use ITIN instead. You can get your ITIN through this platform. The link is in the description of this video. The good part is that after getting your ITIN, they can also help you complete your Etsy account, create Amazon and eBay accounts, and even set up PayPal or US banking to complete your registration. All you need to do is provide your information. If you have a promo code, I'll be giving one that gives you a $50 discount. Click here, apply the promo code, and you'll see the price reduced from the initial amount. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I will attend to you. And if you want this service created for you and you don't want to stress about the setup, hire a verified expert on Rolladale. Visit, check the description for the link, post your requests, and get connected with professionals ready to deliver.